Are you looking to enhance your email signature, or do you not even have one? Lucky for you, here at testimonial.to, we actually have a really cool email signature generator that you can try out for free today. So if you go to testimonial.to/tools, you'll see we have a bunch of free tools, and the email generator is one of them. So if I click on this, I can go to the email signature generator, and right here, you'll see there's a preview of our founder who has created one for himself already. This is going to include the full name, the email, position, testimonial example text, his email again, website, and different social links. And what's awesome is I can copy this and actually add it to my email as a signature really easily. And if I save it inside of my Gmail permanently, it will become my signature. So I'm gonna try this out for myself real quick. So if I fill out some information like my name, my email, I don't want to put in my phone number, but I can put in some other things like my LinkedIn profile, my website. You can see if I click on this, it goes to my website. And I don't need my email, so I'm gonna remove that since, to be honest, they are gonna be looking at this in my email signature, so not needed. And I can add testimonial text or a personal quote. I'm gonna probably add something specific. The power of the mind is unconquerable by Seneca, is one of my favorite philosophers. And what's really smart about this is you don't even need to put in quotes, it's gonna have it there. And now you see that there's a testimonial page link, which is optional, and there's a profile picture link, which is optional too. I'm gonna copy an image link, and I put the favicon on my website if I want. I'm also gonna put this one here too, which is just like a Notion-esque image of myself, which is cool. I have it on my website, so just grab that. I usually am able to find links for images in that way. And from there, we can try out my LinkedIn and Twitter real quick. Let's check out my Twitter. That works too. All right, so let's go and copy the signature and add it to my email. Perfect, look at that. It is added, and funny enough, you can actually change the sizing of stuff still within here, even though it is, you know, sort of pre-made. You can still adjust the size of the image if you'd like. And you'll see it looks really nice. And I'm definitely gonna wanna put this into my signatures moving forward. And I can go to the signature section here, and you can see there's usually a option to put different signatures in, and I can manage my signatures. Go to my settings, and then for my signatures, I can put something like testimonial signature and put this here, and then it will work. And I can set it as my default if I'd like, right in there, for new emails or for replies. So if you want to try this out, I definitely recommend you do. It's a really cool and easy tool. If you're trying to level up your signature game, highly recommend it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to be on the lookout for more tools and tips here at the Testimonial YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.